Hey, I'm Sophie from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at AEG ovens and choosing the right one for you. Now, all the ovens come with some great technology, and I've invited Andrew Dickens, who is a product expert from AEG, and we're going to be doing some cooking and looking at these three things: SenseCook technology, steam crisp, and Paralytic cleaning. I'm off to the studios now, where I'm going to meet Andrew. Okay, so we're here on set with Andrew. Hi, Andrew.
Hi, Sophie.
Hello, and we've got three ovens here to demonstrate three different technologies. And the first one is SenseCook technology, and we are doing this by using our core temperature sensor.
Exactly right. What's different about this oven is we've got the core temperature sensor that you just showed us. Plugs into there, nice and simple. And what we did with our salmon here was we set the core temperature to 60 degrees. Which is the perfect temperature for salmon, because most people overcook it, I think.
Yeah, I definitely do.
But with this, because this has been set to 60 degrees and then the oven turns itself off, you can't overcook it.
Gone are the days of where you undercook or overcook food. It's like having a chef in your home.
It's basically professional equipment in your house.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
So let's move on to our next oven. Now we're cooking a roast chicken in here, but you're also using steam crisp technology. Now why is that a good way to cook your roast chicken?
So the benefits of steam are that it surrounds the food in a jacket of steam, and what that does is it keeps the moisture inside. It means you get better flavour, you get better nutrient retention, and interestingly on our roast chicken here, we're actually going to get a really lovely crispy golden skin as a result as well.
Love that.
And the way it works on this oven is we've got a little water drawer here, and you just take tap water and you pop that into the drawer here like this, and it goes to a steam generator at the back of the oven.
Are you also using the core temperature sensor to cook this as well?
Yes, we are. We want to make sure our chicken is 75 degrees or above, so we've put the core temperature sensor into the chicken, the thickest part, in this case of the breast meat. Once that reaches 75 degrees, the oven will turn itself off, and that way we know it's absolutely perfectly cooked.
Yeah, and you're not going to like undercook or overcook your chicken. Perfect
And there we
timing.
go. Unbelievable.
So now moving on to our final oven, and this is where we're showcasing Pyrolytic cleaning technology. Now this is one of my favourite things. It is the easiest, most stress-free, chemical-free way of cleaning your oven. Now we had the cycle going earlier so that it was cool enough to open it and show you the results.
And it's really simple to do. All we did was take the side rails and the shelf supports out, they go in the dishwasher, shut the door, set the Pyrolytic cleaning function here, press start, that's it.
That's it, and it gets to 500 degrees, and safety first, once it starts heating up, this will lock and you can't open it, and it will actually stay locked until it is cool enough for you to open the oven. Now, you'd imagine the glass will get really hot as well, but this is actually a special kind of glass, isn't it?
This is called an ISO front door, it's quadruple glazed, so even if a small child, for example, came along and put their hand on the glass, absolutely fine.
Amazing. Now, like I said, this is cooled down completely, so we can open it, so let's have a look inside. It's very exciting.
It was a mess. There we go, everything turned to ash.
Yeah, so all the food, all the grease, all the excess bits and bobs that fall off your food, that has all turned to ash. And yet the one thing about cleaning ovens for me is they're always really awkward. I feel like I'm at an awkward angle, I can't quite get to the back of the oven.
Well, AEG have got you covered there. With these doors, all you need to do is click, lift the door off carefully, pop that onto your worktop, onto a tea towel.
So let's show you how easy it is now. So I'm just gonna wipe away. Look at that. That just wipes away with one wipe. It's perfect, so then that's all ready for next time you want to use your oven. If you want to know more info on AEG ovens, want to visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on Shop Live.